Are you unable to see the options like this? So here's the white space option, but that is not visible, and it creates many difficulties to set the margin of the word, right? So how we will find out? Let's see. So hello everybody, once again welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to see the solutions of that, how to see the white space in the left side of the word, right? So first we will visit to the file, then we will go to the options. As we will click here, then this kind of page will be visible to you. Then you have to simply go to the display, and that the page must be visible like this. So page display options. In page display options, there is untick show white space between pages in print layout view. So we are going to simply tick here, right? And we will click OK. And now you can see that we can adjust the margin. So suppose that I am writing anything and we need to adjust the margin. So we can adjust the margin according to it. So if you found this video very helpful, so please do thumbs up and do your valuable comment, and thanks for watching, and keep exploring the technology, the killer. Thank you.